morning on this special day because it is someone's birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
And second of all, we are about to fly to the Canary Islands. You can hear my voice is really croaky because it's very early. It is not even 3 in the morning or 3 at night, depending on how you look at it. We are supposed to be picked up by Danny's dad in like 10 to 20 minutes and he will drive us to the airport. Yeah, that's just a little update on the start of our vacay. So we are going to grab the final bits and then we're off to Schiphol. So probably see you there. Okay, so I don't know if you can actually hear me, but right now we are sitting in our transfer to the hotel and we booked a private transfer. But right now we are sitting in a bus with just the two of us. Like, there's no one there. Like, he's just going to take us to the hotel. And I'm fine with that, you know? I'm okay with that. It doesn't matter. It's our private bus. We're in the hotel and I thought I would quickly show you guys a little room tour because now it is still nice and clean, and I think give us half a day and we will trash this place. So I thought I would quickly show you a little room tour. The light is a little bit orange, I can see, but yeah, that's because the lights are very yellow. Let's just start. So right now I have my back to the front door. On my left, an amazing big mirror with all of our luggage underneath. And to the other side we also have a very big mirror with a sink because this is basically your bathroom area. And over here we have a little separate toilet which just looks very simple. So some nice little towels, some toiletries, a blow dryer, but I have my own, a very big mirror. I look very orange, oh my god. The biggest sink you'll ever see, some other toiletries and a very nice makeup mirror, 2 bathrobes. And when you go in here, you have this amazing shower. And the best of all, a bathtub. Oh my god. And you can just close this up. And then no one even knows that you're showering. Over here we have the large closets. Over here we have the swimming towels or the bath towels with a lot of hanging space. Over here we have some stuff. What is this? I don't know. It feels really soft, so I think it is more pillows. More hanging space. I'm sorry for the lights because it is very yellow. I can see that, but Mini fridge, more storage space, and a safe, which is also very nice. And then over here you have your comfortable bed. Some nice lamps. Also the theme around here is amazing with all of the African vibes. Right here you have some more storage space, and this actually opens up and you have a television behind it, but we actually never used it, so but it's there. Over here another little sitting area with some art, beautiful art, table, and over here another little desk space. And then right here, oh my god, that scared the shit out of me, you have the balcony. Nice seating area. Over here you can dry your towels. A Denny. And this view, oh my god, you guys, we never had this pretty of a view. Look at that. The little restaurants are over here. Swimming pools galore, like they're everywhere. And in the back, the beautiful view of the mountain. Look at that. Oh my god. So I think we cannot complain. No, not at all.
Sorry, I'm all texting people back
At work.
Oh
my god.
Yeah.
It's his birthday, so he's got a lot of messages. But we're here and we're having a room so we can go change ourselves, and my eyes cannot even stay open from this much light. But we are going to change and we are just going to enjoy ourselves as much as we possibly can. So for now I think I'm going to leave you guys in the hotel room. I'm very dark right here. And I'll try to catch up with you later on in the evening when we go and have a little dinner. But for now, I think the most important thing for us is to just relax and just wind down from all the traveling. So I will probably see you guys later today. Bye! How was your dinner?
It was very delicious.
Yes.
Yes.
We had a wonderful dinner. Now we're just chilling at the boulevard with the little tree right here. The only tree on the boulevard.
And after this short walk,
Short walk,
we're
yeah.
going to take a mojito.
And then he wants a mojito for his birthday. And he deserves a mojito on his birthday. So we're gonna get him a mojito on his birthday.
I deserve a lot of mojitos for my birthday.
Yeah.
Not just one.
No.
Maybe two, perhaps
Yeah.
three.
Yes. A lot of mojitos. So we'll see you in a bit with mojitos. We're having a very small pit stop before the mojitos, because there was supposed to be some fancy DJ thing going on, but it starts in like half an hour, and we do not want to feel like tits sitting there by ourselves with nobody else around us, the DJ not even starting, just setting up. So we're just waiting in the garden from Lopesan Baobab.
Everywhere's chirping around us.
Yes. A lot of birds, a lot of trees, a lot of plants,
A lot of sand.
a lot of sand. So mojitos will be with you very shortly. Hola, buenos días! And today it is day 2 of our holiday and it's already Monday. Yesterday has gone by so quick, even though we were awake for like too many hours. We ended on mojitos. Danny crashed in bed and went to sleep so fast after that. But we just had our breakfast ridiculously early. We had to be there at 8:15 because now, because of the virus, you have to make a reservation for your breakfast. And because we arrived late yesterday, or at least we arrived pretty normal time, but by the time that we were back in our hotel room after swimming and all that stuff, it was pretty late. And we made our reservations then, so the only timetables that were left were like the 7:30, 8 o'clock. Like, we're on a holiday, I don't want to be up that early, so we picked the latest possible timetable, which was 8:15, but that was pretty much okay because we went to bed early anyway because of the long trip. So we just did that, and right now I think we're going to change into our bathing suit gear, and we're just going to chill by the pool. And yeah, I'm going to try to take you guys along with me so you can have a little swim with us, because the GoPro is waterproof, so I can actually bring you guys. So that is going to be really fun. And we just have to grab our towels, which are drying over here. And yeah, find ourselves the perfect spot to lay by the pool all day. So I will catch up with you later on. We found the perfect spot. Nice. This is our view. This is a Danny van de Kolk. Over there we have a toilet and the bar. I think we picked a pretty great spot.
Eat! Because I'm starving.
Always food. It's so orange here. My goodness. Goodness gracious. It's even more orange here. Orange. Oh, better. That is a little better. Food, food, food. Food.
Oh. The left. Mintu?
Yes. Hola.
Liquid.
Dinner time. Dinner time. Good morning on day 3 of our holiday. I still have a very croaky voice because we just woke up. I put on a little something because we are going to get some breakfast, and I'm going to try to film a little bit of that for you guys so you can see what the breakfast options are. I ended up not filming a lot yesterday evening because we went to see some animation show with some dancers and some singers right here at the resort, but I just simply could not film that because of all the copyright reasons. But after dinner we went over there, we had a nice cocktail and we enjoyed the show. And after that we pretty much crashed in bed like old farts and we went to sleep. So yeah, that was a little bit of yesterday. And now we're heading to breakfast. It is late in the afternoon and we're already going to drink cocktails. Because you know, why not? Why not? Because it has been a very cloudy day. Right now it is sunny. So we packed up our stuff and left from the pool to our hotel room because it was just really cold. And now we're just going to drink some cocktails before dinner. Because we can. Because it's a holiday. And this one does not mind.
Nope.
Nope.
Delicious.
So we're gonna show you some cocktails in a second. Let me quickly show you a different view from this hotel, because you've only seen our hotel room and a little bit of our view. But this is a different area of the hotel. Over there you have one of the other 7 pools, which we do not actually swim in. We have been swimming on a different pool more to that side. Over here you have the big main bar, I guess, which has a lot of live music in the evenings. This is the area where you can get your breakfast. And over there, way in the back, you have our hotel room. So maybe you recognize those 2 roofs. That is our view of the hotel room. And down there you have a little souvenir shop and also a sitting area. And over here you have the big, yeah, I don't know what to call it, but you have this big area. And over here, all the hotel rooms. And this is where we are sitting right now to enjoy our little cocktail. And over there, cheers! And when you go inside of this door, you have the main reception area and also a lot of seating areas. And right here, you can just chill. So that is a little bit of a different view from the hotel. And all the plants, all the trees, they are so different from each other. I believe that they have, well, I don't even know how many. They have a lot of...
Europea.
Yeah, they have a lot of different trees and plants, and some of them are pretty rare. So Danny is dropping some mint from his mojito. But obviously you have the normal palm trees, but all the very rare trees and all the specific trees, they have this little name tag, so you can actually see what kind of tree or plant it is. But we already spotted some banana trees, mango trees, lemon trees. They have these beautiful tropical flower plants. Yeah, there's just a lot of cool stuff to see around here. So I think I will try to film the most rare or pretty trees or bushes or flowers that I can find here, so I can give you guys a little look of what there's actually to see on this place. Good morning on this sunny morning. It is Wednesday today, and as you can probably tell by the sun on my face, the weather is a lot better in comparison with yesterday. So look at that, sunny times. So today we are going to have a pool day. Yesterday we laid by the pool for a few hours, but it was very cloudy and also a little bit too cold to be swimming and then just lying on your bed with your dry swimming clothes. So we decided to go back to the hotel room a lot earlier than normal. But I think with this weather, we are going to have a great pool day today. And I'm not really sure if I'm going to bring you guys, but I will definitely catch up with you guys later. We had a little change of plans. We were supposed to go to the San Juan party, but turns out it was for niños, which means it was a mini disco for children. So instead of that, we decided to go to a magic show. Danny, what were your thoughts on the magic show? If you don't know how to say it in English, say it in Dutch.
It was terrible.
It was terrible.
It's quite nice that yeah.
If you don't
Dat
know.
was het, hè?
Huh?
I don't have any words for it.
Okay, it was that bad?
Yeah.
Okay. Danny cringed so hard that he actually, like, he didn't ask me, but his face said more than enough. He practically begged me to go early. So we left the show 10 minutes early because it was a little bit cringe. I managed to film a little bit of it. So I hope that the actual show is visible because it was quite far away and it also was a little bit dark. But I will try to insert some of the footage that I managed to film. But yeah, it was funny, but in a cringe way. Like, yeah. Good morning. Today it is Thursday? Thursday?
Yes, it is.
It is Thursday. You know you're on a good holiday when you forget what day it is. But good morning. Today it is Thursday and we just went back to the hotel room. We just went back after breakfast and right now you are seeing the magical snake headboard of the bed. It's quite a thing. It's pretty extreme. We are going to get ready for the pool. Surprise, surprise. But later today I will try and film the most beautiful spots from this hotel because the entree is pretty cool and they also have some indoor gardens which I would like to show you guys. So yeah, another pool day because that's what we do on holiday, but I will definitely show you more of the hotel later on. So I will catch up with you later.